I'm interested in how you configured the project, the instructions you built that with initially. So, what are the general components to teeing off this process so that it knows it's like not a blank slate 5-year-old. It actually knows how to respond.
So good question. There are in the different projects you can add instructions, and you can basically say, here's like a preloaded prompt and instructions and everything you need. I didn't do that today, so we have things that are a little looser. I wanted to give you a sense of what the output is as a starting point, but you can come in here and dial in the persona, the client customers, the was it ICP if I can be a marketing pro, the
Yep.
preferred customer types, whatever your websites are, a little bio, a little thing about you, what color of underwear you want. It's silly, but you can go that deep if you want to, personality wise, and then you can kind of go through it. It could be a best friend if you want to go there. It might be unhealthy for most people, Deborah, but you're welcome to treat it like your best friend. And basically, you want to have a conversation because even if it's silly to say please and thank you, it helps you frame that tone, what you're asking, and kind of puts you in that mindset of being a polite professional. That's how I look at it, but you do you.